Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we will be having part 2 of simple interest. So directly we will go with the problem number 1. As we know that simple interest is calculated by using the formula, that is P into R into T divided by 100. So let us go with our first problem, that is in how many years a principal amount becomes double. We have to calculate, that is T, in how many years the principal amount becomes double, means A is becoming twice of P, right? If the rate of interest given is 20%, that is rate is 20%. Now let us consider that principal is X. So A is what? 2X, right? So we know the formula, that is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So what is SI? So SI is equal to, we know that amount minus principal. Why? Because amount is equal to principal plus interest, right? So SI is equal to A minus P. Okay. So SI is equal to, we know that if A is 2x and P is x, then SI is equal to x. So x equal to, that is P is x multiplied by what? Again R. What is R? R is given, that is 20 multiplied by T divided by what? 100. This x will be cancelled. 21s are 25s are. So T is equal to what? 5 years. The question number 2. A certain principal amount is deposited in a bank. If bank is giving 12% interest, means R is equal to 12%. Then calculate in how many years T we have to calculate. The amount will become 3 times the principal. Let us consider we don't know the principal, so we will consider P as X, right? So amount will become what? 3 times of principal, that is 3 times of X, right? Now we will calculate the time. So write the formula for SI, that is P into R into T upon 100. So what is SI? So SI will be, we know the formula, that is amount minus principal. What is amount? That is 3x. What is principal? X. So our SI will be 2x. So 2x equal to x into R. R is 12% into T divided by 100. This x will get cancelled. Okay. Now this 2 ones are 2 6 are, right? So T is equal to what? That is 100 divided by 6. That is 50 upon 3. So we will calculate this. We will get, that is 16.67 years. Means we can write it as, that is 16 2 by 3 years. Question number 3. Rupees 1200 is lent out. Principal is what? 1200. What is rate? At 5% per annum simple interest for 3 years, means T is 3. We have to find the amount after 3 years. We have to find what? The amount. So what is amount? Amount equal to principal plus SI. So first of all we will calculate SI by using the formula, that is PRT upon 100. So what is P? 1200. What is R? 5. What is T? 3 divided by 100. 20 will be cancelled. 12 into 15, that will be 180. So amount equal to P plus SI, that is P is what? 1200 and SI is 180. So 1380 rupees, that will be our amount. Now last question. In what time will rupees 8000, that is principal amount is what? 8000. Amount to 40,000, that 40,000 is what? Amount, that is 40,000. A equal to 40,000 at 4% per annum, that is R equal to 4%, right? So we have to calculate here, that is T. Okay, now we have to calculate the T. So we are unknown with the SI, that is SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. We know the P, we know the R, we know we have to calculate T, but we don't know SI. So first of all we will calculate SI. What is SI? That is amount minus principal. What is amount? That is 40,000 minus principal 8,000. So 40 minus 8, that will be 32,000. Okay, so we will put all these values in this equation. So 32,000, that is will be your SI. What is P? That is 8,000 multiplied by R. R is what? 4, and T we have to calculate, divided by 100. This 30 and this 30 will be cancelled. 8 ones are 8 fours are, right? This 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. So T is equal to 100 years. This will be our answer, right? So in 100 years, the amount 8,000 will become 40,000 at 4% per annum. For more such type of videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.